Hi, today we're going to talk about how to sharpen a knife. This one I'm going to start with. It basically is just a stone. This is about a half inch by about 4 inches. They tell you that you're supposed to put it in your hand and do it. Well, you know, I managed to nick my fingers more than once, so I've taken the extra safety precaution of using, this is a drill press vise, and I just put it in there and clamp it down on it, and now you can see that I can push it away from me without getting my fingers involved in it, without stabbing myself. Now, in order to properly use this, what you want to do is put a little bit of oil on it. The oil actually helps float the metal particles that you're cutting off of your knife, off of the stone, away from the stone. That way it doesn't bind up and gum up into the stone. Typically, you want to push it along like this, and notice I'm pushing it away from me. Because one thing that you don't want to do is when you pull it like this, you could conceivably pull it against yourself and stab yourself, and that's not the objective. Actually, more people are injured and cut with dull knives than they are with sharp knives. Some people are going to tell you that the angle of this cut should be anywhere from 25 to 23 to 20 to 17 to 15 to 13 degrees. All you want to do is just push it, and it should push nice and easily. If you feel it binding or you feel it clicking or something or other, that's basically telling you that there is something wrong with that edge. And then once again, and I use anything from honing oil to WD-40, because all you're really looking for is to make sure that whatever is on the surface of the stone does not get caught on the surface of the stone. Okay, here's a different knife. Once again, we're going to do it like this. This one has serrated edges on it, but we're not going to sharpen those. There's actually a tool just for that. And once again, notice we're pushing the stone, pushing the knife away from you. These knives are just general purpose pocket knives. Depending upon what I'm doing, I may carry one, I may not carry one. It's just a lot of times if you're doing something you need a knife, these do the job just fine. Anyway, that's all there is to sharpening with a stone.